Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. So on this video here, I'm going to show you what you can expect with the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer and what kind of quality you can expect if you consider ordering DTF transfers from CB Graphx. So this video here is going to be a little bit different than all my previous videos talking about the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. If you want to know the ins and outs and how to operate it, then I recommend that you go to my home page and see some of the previous videos I did. But this video here is specifically showing the quality of the DTF prints. So for those who are interested in the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer, I'll leave my affiliate discount link down in the description. And for those who are interested in ordering some transfers or a gang sheet from me, then I'll leave my link to my website down in the description. So not going to do much more talking. I'm going to let the designs and these prints do all the speaking. And as you can see, all these designs transfer well, vibrant colors, very detailed. This is what you can expect with the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. Quality prints. I have owned the printer now for almost 10 months and I have nothing bad to say about it. Even rocking one of my shirts that I pressed up. Don't wish for it, work for it. Going to show you some of these transfers. And y'all, I've noticed this printer prints everything well, from cartoons to realistic graphics, real people. And the quality is undeniable. I see a lot of other videos on different DTF printers, but none can stand up to the Lancelot. It speaks for itself. So if you're looking for designs you need done, I do create designs. You can order a single transfer. You can upload your design, build a gang sheet, and I can do the printing for you. If you want it pressed on a shirt, sweatshirt, a hoodie, I do that as well. Even if you're in the market for DTF ink, I do have my own ink, which is coming out on May the 1st, 2026. And my ink is formulated for Epson DTF print heads only. Most of the time, when people order transfers or creating their designs come out looking like this right here. If your design is looking like this, it's one or two things wrong. One is how you create your design, or two, it could just be wherever you're ordering your DTF transfer from. But if you're interested on my AI prompts and my Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer settings, I do have that available on my website. And with my AI prompts and my settings, you can go from this right here to this right here. So all it is just certain keywords can get your design to look like this versus looking like this right here. Now I'm going to show you some designs that I just finished printing out, and I'm going to go ahead and get them pressed up. So if you're into crafting and just doing designs, here's a new one I just did just today that we're going to go ahead and get pressed. I don't know if I'm going to do it on a t-shirt, a tote bag. We'll figure it out, but we're going to press this one up right here. Here's another one I just did today that we're going to get pressed up. But you can see how vibrant the colors are, how detailed it is. And I mean, it speaks for itself. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and used my lint roller and did a pre-press to release the moisture in the shirt. We're going to go ahead and take this design first and get this transferred. But I just want to show you how great they transfer, as well as how vibrant the colors are going to be once the design is transferred. All right, and I'm liking that placement right there. And I have my heat press set at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. All right, so it's finished pressing. And the transfer film that I use is hot peel, which means you can peel it instantly. There's no waiting. You can go ahead and peel it as soon as it finishes. And you see how easy that was to peel. Now we're going to go ahead and take our finishing sheet right here. And we're going to go ahead and press it for 5 seconds. Go ahead and remove our finishing sheet. And now I'm going to bring you in so you can take a look at the design. And I want y'all to pay attention to how great the design looks as far as the quality and how vibrant the colors are. So here's the design close up. As you can see, it is very vibrant, detailed. This is what you can expect with the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. And this is also what you can expect when you order DTF transfers from CB Graphx. All right, so I went ahead off camera, did my lint roller on this one, and did a pre-press to release the moisture. We have this Juneteenth design right here, and we're going to go ahead and get pressed up. All right, so our design is just finished pressing. And like I said, this is hot peel, so I can peel it instantly. As you can see, it transferred well. We'll go ahead and take our finishing sheet, apply that, press it for 5 seconds. Remove our finishing sheet. And now I'm going to bring y'all in close so y'all can take a look at it. Here's a close-up of the design right here. As you can see, nice and vibrant colors, very detailed. This is what you can expect when you order a transfer or apparel from me. And this is what you can expect from the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. Like I said before, links will be in the description on the printer and my website. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching.